Hey, Sam here. Welcome to this demo of ReviewTrust. What is ReviewTrust? It's a software, cloud-based software that allows you to be able to get reviews for your products so you can display them on your website, on your sales page, and things like that. Now, what are the benefits of reviews? Well, as soon as somebody hits a sales page, one of the first things you want to look for is reviews from real people as to how they found the product. We do it all the time. If you're on an e-com store, if you're on Amazon, you're on even on sales pages for products through JVZoo, often you'll jump on and you'll read the reviews of people who have actually used them. Now that helps you convert that sort of traffic into sales because they're going to trust it more. Now, where do we even get these reviews from? Well, with ReviewTrust, it makes it super easy to be able to get them from real life customers. So how do we go about doing that? Very, very easy. Let's start with just doing a sample campaign. Okay, so here we are in the campaign screen where we set it all up. So we're going to call this one demonstration campaign, and we're going to just call this a demo campaign. Okay, now what we can do is we choose our vendor. What are we selling on? There's a huge amount of stuff to choose from. We've got ClickBank, JVZoo, ThriveCart, WooCommerce, Stripe, Shopify, PayPal, all of these sorts of platforms. I'm going to choose JVZoo because I already have a JVZoo account. Now I'm just going to put in a sample item number, and the type of testimonial we're after is a text one. We could either ask for video or audio as well. For testimonial, we can ask if we want one picture or two pictures from our customer, and we're going to call this the demo product name. Okay, we can also upload a product image if we want, and then we can either do a standard review, which means they just ask to review the product, or we can give them an incentive where we give them a gift. We give them like a free ebook to download or something, some sort of incentive to get the people to give us the review. Now we'll write a little sample. It's optional, so I'm going to write sample review written here. Okay, just for it, and then I'll just put some numbers because we need about 20 characters for it. Okay, for our gift name, I'm not going to upload a gift today, but here's where it gets really interesting. So here we go. It's all integrated with JVZoo, so this is going to know when we make a sale. Here is where we can schedule up follow-up emails. So we can send the first email after 14 days asking for a review, or after 1 day, or after 30 days. The emails, if we click on edit email, are already pre-written up here, so it'll send it out, and get in touch with your customer asking them to review the product. As you can see, there's follow-up sequences as well, all ready to go. So it's that easy to just set up, integrate it with your account, so as people buy, they're going to be asked to review the product. So I'm going to click agree to terms of service and save this campaign. Oops, and I forgot to check a box there, so I'm going to click save again. So here we are, it's all set up, and what we have done is, because there's no reviews come in, there's no examples to show, but as they come in, you can improve them, or you can approve them, hide them, whatever. Now, because you're going to have the short code on your website, so if you get your short code for your website, where is the short code? Here we go. So because you're going to have this code in your website, and this is where you can customize what your review looks like, where it's going to go, things like that. However, if we go back into reviews, you can see that we can choose them as either featured reviews or unapproved, approved, hidden. But featured is going to shift them right to the top. So if you get a really, really good one, you can shift it straight to the top. So this is where you're going to handle all your reviews from. Orders, this is where it's got a list of all the people who have bought this product. Because this is synced with a product that hasn't sold anything in the last 15 seconds, 2 minutes or whatever I've been doing this demo for, there is no examples here. But you can also import your CSV, like a shop list, a buyer's list or something online as well. Settings, this is the campaign we just created, so here's all the settings for it here. And then of course with the widgets, if we go into the display reviews, here it is here. It shows all the details of the review that we have. You can color it, you can change the different theme, you can change the look of it, and of course you get the code to put in your website. Once that code's in your website, as the reviews come in and you approve them, they will appear on your website, on your sales page, on your e-com store, whatever you want to do. Now you can also sync up more than one account, so you don't have to just sync up a JVZoo account or a or a PayPal account or anything like that. You can sync up as many as you want under the vendor accounts. So, this can be your one-stop hub to being able to get reviews. Now, what I find the really good thing about this is the fact that it follows up the customers, the fact that it has presets emails to send to the customers to incentivize them to do a review. The fact you can add the GIFs is also a really, really good way to be able to do that. So if you're selling anything online, either an e-com store, a software product, you can give away products if you want, and you are looking for reviews, then this is perfect for you to be able to get those. So this is Sam. Been a pleasure to show you this. Check it all out down below in detail on the bonus page. Check out the bonus pages as well, and no doubt we'll talk again soon.